orange juice, and we go with the high thunderstorms, and the temperature is cold and dropping. The more I say let's go in, the faster he says no.
The thing about you is you knew it all the time. Now there's a voice inside my head that keeps me wondering, can it be true, or is it only in my mind? Moving a little closer, listen to the message just a little louder. Tell me again, my Lord, 'cause I know that you are with me as I wander through this life, keeping always you inside. Tell me again, my Lord, like you've done in times before, and I know that you'll be there every moment, everywhere. Tell me again. The thing about you is you know just all about me. You made a great love and everything inside. The thing about me is I really wanna let you open that door and walk into my life.
Well, I thought we were past this, but we had a super cold front flew through last night. Big thunderstorms, and the temperature is cold and dropping. We're going from 70 degrees one day to in the 30s or 40s the next. But we pulled some wood up, and we'll start doing this again for a while. Bentley, you want to go for a drive?
Hey Bentley, are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Be there every moment, everywhere. Tell me again. Tell me again, my Lord, 'cause I know that you are with me as I wander through this life, keeping always you inside. Tell me again, my Lord, like you've done in times before, and I know that you'll be there every moment, everywhere. Tell me again.
Yeah, he was cold. You know, he's 12 years old. He gets cold easy, and so he likes to sit where he stays warm. Got the heat pointed right at us, but just one of those days. Yesterday we didn't do anything except sit in the house, burn firewood all day. It was just cold. I have a feeling today's going to be the same, unless this changes and it clears up this afternoon. This is going to be a day with not much done. My seatbelt thing is beeping at me. Yeah, there's nobody else out here driving except me, so we're not using the seatbelt. And Bentley doesn't like the seatbelt. He says, "Don't use the seatbelt." No, but anyway, we're day 9, 10, day 10 of the shutdown. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got these spots that are trying to heal up. We was doing the tractor the other day, knocking down some bodark trees. Bodark trees have thorns on them that are about that long, and they're super sharp. And I got a face full of that while I was on the tractor. Not especially fun. Yeah, so I guess it's day 10. I don't know. I can't do math. We're doing our morning drive. It's bright and early. It's about 7:30, and this guy, he likes to drive. He just likes to look out the window at everything. He likes it better when it's slow and we have the window down, but it's way too cold for that. I'm not betting on it being a day where we get a lot done. Bentley, are you getting warm? Good grief. It is hot in here. I've got this temperature set on 80 degrees, and it's all of that. Are you comfortable now? You doing okay? I'd like to do a lot more brush clearing with the tractor, but it's so wet. If you get it out off of a main road or something, it just starts sinking and cutting up ruts and everything. So probably not a good idea. Hey, there's some cows, Bentley. What do you think? What do you think? There's some cows. You want to look? Look, we'll turn around. See those cows out there, Bentley? Can you see them? I don't know if I got them in the camera or not. There they are. They're out there, aren't they? What do you think those cows are doing out there? Oh, same thing our cows do. Nothing. Eating grass. There's the neighbor's dog. Someone said he got hit by a car and he lost his right front leg, but you know, he seems happy. He bounces around and does whatever he wants to do. It doesn't seem to bother him. So I cleared that off the other day with the tractor. It was all grown up and smoothed it out a little bit. I've got a little bit more to do, and I think I want to have a building built right there, a little hay barn. Anyway, hopefully in the future I'll drive by here and I'll take a picture of a nice metal hay barn, assuming we decide to go ahead and do that. The more I say let's go in, the faster he says no. Yeah, so there's a target. So I can sight scopes in and practice handgun shooting. There's nothing back there for miles, long ways. And so I set this little post. There's no concrete. I just set it nice and easy in the ground, a couple feet. And my brother made the target. It's 2 pieces of sheet metal all stuck together, and so we shoot at it there, and we shoot from the carport. It's about 30 yards. Billy, where are you going? Come on, we got to go in. Let's go in. It's cold out here. Quit messing around. Let's go in. Well, it's about 7 in the morning. Sun's starting to come up. We hope the sky clears. I don't know what the weather's supposed to do. I don't think they know either. Cold front blew through. It's been cold and rainy for the last 2 days. So Janice is still asleep. It's Sunday morning. I think I need to cook. I need to cook breakfast. I think I need to do a cooking episode. Cooking at the ranch. Cooking with Ken at the ranch. So the first part of cooking at the ranch is you have to go out to the shop. Yeah, not many people would understand that, but at the ranch, if you want to eat breakfast, you want to cook with Ken, you have to go out to the shop. All things can happen in the shop at some level. Let's see. There we go. Good morning, shop. We're on a Cooking with Ken episode. There it is. And let's see. So Janice has this all, I mean, she knows where everything is in here. She's placed it all in here meticulously. I have one little corner right here. Okay. Make sure the freezer's closed good, and it is. Back to the house, back to the shop. The birds are chirping outside. That's a good sign. Okay, so now we're back in the kitchen, which is where most people would assume cooking occurs. We pop this open and we gently place our breakfast biscuit in the microwave. We hit 1 minute and it will start. Next, we look in here, we find pineapple. Pineapple is always good. We look back in here and we find orange juice. And we go with the high pulp. The high pulp is mine. Hers is low pulp. If we go about this right, we can get this all done in the 1 minute in the first minute that is cooking. We reach in here and we find these,
Yeah, these are healthy. Oh, this is like medicine for you. It's dipped, chocolate chip dipped, but it's a granola thing, so it's not like just, you know, it's not real chocolate. It's just granola chocolate. Okay, there's the 1 minute notice. So now we open this up and we want to tear this bag open. Okay, yeah, put the camera down, pour the bag open, and we'll come over here and we find a plate. I've not ever done my cooking with just one hand, so this is interesting. Okay, then we take the paper plate and we put it back in, and we hit the 1 minute again, but we're only going to go 30 seconds. So we can reach up in the cabinet. The blue one is mine. The pink one is Janice's. And we will do the orange juice shortly. And we patiently wait the next 10 seconds while this clicks off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay. The breakfast biscuit is now toasted. Well, I wouldn't say toasted. It's now heated to a perfect temperature. We place it on the counter. We decorate it with the stuff. Oh yeah, and we need a spoon. Get a spoon out. Okay, and I gotta put the phone down again so I can pour orange juice. Well, I wish I had a way. I wish I had filmed pouring the orange juice. The first little bit came out like a milkshake, but it's the high pulp. Yeah, that'll be good though. It's shook up. It should be good. So this is Cooking with Ken, the very first episode, Breakfast Cooking with Ken. I will be sure and post a recipe up in the corner. So have a good day. Well, this has been a little different version of Flyover News. Hopefully the sun's coming out now. Looks like it's going to try to clear. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hopefully we'll have a couple of days of sunshine and we can get back to doing stuff outside, fixing the place up a little bit. But we appreciate you watching, and we are Flyover News. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you.